What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today we'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for GameStop Corporation with the ticker symbol GME. I will first be going over what I see in the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Please trade at your own risk. So GameStop finally is a Bitcoin treasury company, so that means I'm going to add it to my list to look at. I don't know how consistent, but I'm mostly gearing this channel towards Bitcoin treasury companies because that's the future. If your company does not hold Bitcoin on their balance sheet, most likely they will go bankrupt in the future. Maybe not that extreme, but they will become non-existent. They will become forgettable because the new kid on the block is companies that own Bitcoin on the balance sheet because that's where the new monetary system is headed. And that's why I want to continue covering more of Bitcoin treasury companies, MicroStrategy, MetaPlanet, Semler Scientific, GameStop, Tesla, Block. So that's why I want to look at. So let me know if, your thoughts in the comments down below if you guys want to see more GameStop or not. So let's take a look at the technicals before I look at the Bitcoin treasury list. You can see that the first impressions are that price is, mostly just trading sideways. We did have, some volatile swings back over here last year, May, June, but now most of the time price is just trading sideways in this tight trading range between $33 and $20. Maybe not that tight, but it's in this trading range for the past several months now. However, there's a bullish imbalance. You can see there's an upward sloping trend line in play that's not invalidated, and there was a downward sloping trend line in play that has been invalidated. So that means we can see maybe a bullish trend develop. If you draw a trend line off of the swing lows, we're still above the trend line. We did see a nice harsh rejection off the highs of the range, $33, but the bulls can definitely recover from this move down, move up higher, and potentially break outside of the range permanently. So overall, I'd say it's setting up for higher prices. I don't think we're going to just fail at this trend line and then, drop down lower. That is a possible scenario playing out. I don't think it's probable. I think most likely either we're going to see a bounce up that continues higher, or we do see a small little bounce, maybe another retest of the trend line, and then a move up higher. If price is really bearish or the bullish case plays out, what we can do is come back all the way to the bearish trend line, retest it, and then move up higher. I'd say regardless, with Bitcoin moving up higher and the bullish imbalance currently in play, there's a good chance that we do either one of those bullish scenarios versus price just, dropping down lower towards the lower side of the range. So that's my first impressions. That's the dominant technical pattern, and that's the most probable scenarios most likely going to play out. Bitcoin treasury list, GameStop is top 13. They took over Semler Scientific spot and pushed them to 14. So GameStop is the new kid on the block at 13 position at 4,710. That's a very good amount for the first purchase. It's a pretty decent amount of Bitcoin. It's right up there with MetaPlanet almost, and they've been buying for a long time, as you can see here, and as much as they can. Let's go back to the technicals. Let's go back to the weekly. Weekly chart shows that last week was pretty bearish compared to all other prior weeks recently. As you can see here, you compare it to the candle's strength is red and big compared to mostly green and large as well. So is that something to be worried about? Not necessarily. Candles in isolation don't mean a whole lot, but they definitely are important. So let's see how this develops. I think this is probably just a correction that was due to happen due to being at the top side of the range, a little bit overextended. Maybe flush a lot of people out thinking that, since they added Bitcoin to the balance sheet, it's ready to rip. Kind of one of those buy the rumor, sell the news events. Either way, I think it's still setting up for higher prices. So weekly chart looks good. Long term, it might take out this prior high back here, $121 in the future. But as right now, it looks like it's just still trading sideways, looking to potentially break out higher in the future. That's all I have for GameStop Corporation on the daily and weekly charts. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.